Hey everyone, it's Adam here. This is the front and rear view from a Thinkware M1 Motorsport camera. There we go. Turn the gain up a little bit. And what I have it on here is on my R1200GS Adventure, liquid cooled, and I'm just basically driving around after work today. We got a few nice days, so I was able to take these video clips. The audio I don't even want to subject you to, and yes, I do realize that the rear camera is slightly crooked, but you still get the point. Hey, it's straight when I turn. The audio is just not worth sharing because it's like over 5 miles an hour. It's just the loudest static. The microphone for this camera is actually mounted on the remote control. So the control that that has two buttons on it, one for turn on Wi-Fi and the other for do a permanent recording, one that won't get overridden. Both those buttons are on the top of this controller thing, and next to it is a little small hole for a microphone. And you know, if I had known that, I probably would have put the thing a little bit lower, like closer to the body at the rear of the bike. But I do have it on top of the brake fluid reservoir, and because it's there, it's just too much noise. So just an FYI on that one. But hey, you know, if you do mount it properly, the microphone could be an asset in a road rage altercation of some sort. One of the biggest things that I measure dash cams by is clarity of license plates. And as you can tell, you can barely even see this, make out the speed limit signs when we pass them, and those are huge. So if it's a hit and run, if someone rear ends you and doesn't sit still, the chances of you determining their license plate is really, really slim. So I guess that's just like an FYI that this is not the kind of device that I think this kind of device will allow you to be able to prove to your insurance that you're not at fault. But I don't think this is the kind of device that's going to allow you to catch whoever hit you. So just keep that in mind. Some of the shake there. So this has digital stabilization, I think. I don't think it has in-camera stabilization. So I'm intentionally hitting a few of the potholes with the GS, and you can tell how the camera gets really, wacky almost. So just something I noticed is that the camera has a little bit of wackiness with the stabilization. I'm looking forward to seeing how this does off-road, but I'm never ever going to rely on this as the only camera for like vlogging or road trips, because this is going to be a camera that is only there when I'm not recording, and I think that I just can't rely on this for a travel kind of thing. It wouldn't work for traveling. I'll still have the GoPro on my helmet for that. Comparison to my previous dash cam, the VSY STO dual channel that I got for like $75, I'm incredibly disappointed. So this is a $500, I think it's a $550 dash cam, the Thinkware M1, and compared to the $75 Chinese eBay one, this is bad. I mean, this is slightly better, but not great. If you look at some of my Tony's track day videos from back in like July or August of last year, you can see some of those clips towards the end of the video. But this is not that much better. The bit rate is so incredibly low. It is stabilized, which is nice. But no, I wouldn't recommend this. This is a $150 camera, not a $500 camera. Just my opinion. But it does have GPS built into it. The Wi-Fi app is much better than the Chinese one. And for as large as these cameras are, this is kind of a BS picture. All right, well, thanks for watching. Just thought I'd give it some initial impressions. Obviously, I'm not going to return it or take it off the bike, but it's significantly worse than I thought it would be, and I'm really disappointed about that. Seriously, very disappointed.